Stellenbosch might not be much of a secret to most. From its beautiful streets, its very well-known university, its duck parade, and of course wine. But there are some pretty cool places you might not have been. Like Hidden Valley Wines, one of my favourite wine farms by far. It offers beautiful wine, art sculptures, unparalleled views of Stellenbosch, picnic baskets, and a breathtaking wilderness lodge, ideal for those looking to escape the city for a few days.
You're staying so long, 'cause I know just tonight we'll let go.
Eagle Encounters was the next stop on our trip. An active rescue and rehabilitation centre for birds of prey in and around the Western Cape. It's a great place to learn all about these stunning predators, as well as a few other animals. And you can't come to Stellenbosch without seeing Hoek, a beautiful mountainous nature reserve with breathtaking views. Just a couple of things to do in the beautiful Stellenbosch.
It's so cute.
Take it slow.